Hi, boys and girls. I was at the store the other day at the clearance table. And guess what I found? This. And I says, I wonder what that is. I know it's going to be about dinosaurs, and I love dinosaurs. I wanted to open it up with you because I do not know what is inside it. But I read on the outside the name of this, Dinosaurs Cognitive Book. So it is a book with 12 dinosaurs. And I said, 12 dinosaurs, that's awesome. And it has a button on it, and it's a sound book. So it's going to have some sounds. Hopefully it's the sounds of the dinosaurs, the 12 dinosaurs. I'm going to open it up now. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay, it is a book. So, brand new. I love brand new. Dinosaurs Cognitive Book and their habits. Their habits. Let's look. Oh my gosh, look at this. But here's Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's my favorite dinosaur. And it is the biggest one too. Oh, over here, I guess it sounds, see that? I think that's Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Wow, boys and girls! The lady says its name and then also its sound. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's see here. Oh, come on, pages. Boy, what happened here? It's so new. Wow! Oh my gosh! It's on the clearance rack. Okay, here's this dinosaur here, the long neck. And I'm not going to read it for you because we're going to find it. We're going to compare dinosaurs and see what she says its name is. Here's the long neck. So I'm looking here. I'm comparing the pictures. And it is this one. Let's see. Here we go.
Brachiosaurus.
So it was a Brachiosaurus. She says it, and she knows exactly how to pronounce the name, so that's why I like her to say it first. But if I make a mistake, she'll say the name, and if it doesn't match the name down here, we know it is not the dinosaur. Okay, let's try it.
Tyrannosaurus Magnus.
Did she say Tyrannosaurus Magnus? This is not Tyrannosaurus Magnus. This is Tyrannosaurus, so I picked the wrong one. But that's how we learn, boys and girls, by making mistakes and we try again. Okay, boys and girls, I wish you were right here in my office with me, but you are not. Let's scan through these. There's 12 of these different sounds, different dinosaurs. I am not sure, but that's okay. We're still learning. That's how we compare things. But we'll go over here now. Let's look over here and see which one looks like this, has short front legs, and it has horns. I think it's this one.
Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus. That's why it's excellent to have her say the name, because some of these dinosaurs, their names are really hard to pronounce. I guess it's a dinosaur because I'm looking at the legs here. It starts with a V. It says, did you know? So it's going to ask you, some questions about this dinosaur. So he looks like that here. Which one? I think it's this one, boys and girls. See this one here? Look at it, the head, and look over here. Let's push the button.
Velociraptor.
Yoo-hoo! I got for you. I think I went through 6 or 7. Now, if you buy this yourself, then you can see what the other ones are and have your parents or your brother and sister, or maybe you can read these facts yourself. And let's see what else is in our Dinosaur Cognitive Book. Guess what? You get the dinosaurs, those plastic ones too. Okay, I'm going to open this and we are going to try to find Tyrannosaurus Rex. And let's see if I can find it. And this is another good way to compare. I'm going to be looking for Tyrannosaurus Rex in here. And no, that doesn't look like Tyrannosaurus. No, that one doesn't either. This is really good exercise, boys and girls, for compare and contrast. That doesn't look like him either. No. I think I see him. I think I see him. I think I see him. Yeah, that's him. That's him. The head. He's big. He's tall. I'm going to put him right here. Oh, this is so much fun, boys and girls. And I'm not a kid. I'm an adult and a teacher. So you're going to have a lot of fun too. You have 12 of these plastic dinosaurs or prehistoric creatures to match up. So boys and girls, this was so exciting for me, and I hope it was exciting for you, unboxing this book to see what was inside. I'm going to do that more. I'm going to go to the clearance table, and there are always a lot of educational books and things on it. Show them to you, and I'm going to unwrap it in front of you so we can be surprised at what we see and hear and learn about that new educational toy. See you the next time. Bye.